So, my dear friend, this is my third book that is known as Panorama of Indian Democracy, Indian Contest. So, we will now talk on the firing on the Bondi Beach in the New South Wales capital, Sydney. And the one Muslim who was the fruit seller or who is the fruit seller and is now hospitalized due to the injury by two terrorists, the son and father duo of the Pakistan, basically from the Lahore. The people of so-called secular or pseudo-secular people are screaming that you are not talking about the Ahmed who saved so many lives. He snatched away the gun of the father of that Islamic goon or the Islamic terrorist. I would like to say that Ahmed is not a true Muslim according to the Quran. Because Ahmed fight against these two Islamic terrorists of the Pakistan, Lahore, father and son, father age 50 years and the son 24 years old. Only so this Ahmed is not true Muslim because he fought against the Muslims. In a Quran, many verses of that a Muslim should not fight against the Muslim, and this verse is inhibits or in exists in the Surah Al-Baqarah chapter 2 verse you have to read 980 to 100 verse you will find that a Muslim cannot fight against the non-Muslim and Mr. Ahmed fought against the Muslims and by proven ideology Muslim is itself a terrorist. Muslim is himself a terrorist to seeing the Quranic verses. A true Muslim is a terrorist. He can kill the non-Muslims. He can kill all the non-Muslims on this basis that they are not following the Islam or not believing in Quran, Muhammad, Allah, Mikhail, Jibrail, the satanic angels of the Islam. So it is very hard to say that Ahmed is Muslim. Ahmed is not Muslim. If he is Muslim, he is only Muslim in the name, that his name is Arabic name, and it is not necessary every Arabic name has adopted the Christianity, because Tariq Aziz of the Iraq was a Christian. So many instances, even Abu Sufyan is a name, Arabic name, but he was not the Muslim. He was the cousin of the Muhammad, so-called Prophet Muhammad, and he was Jews or the polytheist. So these people which are supporting the Islam in the name of the Ahmed, who is the savior of the tourist, when they are celebrating the Hanukkah festival of the Judaism, they were majority in Jews, but it is also possible that there may be some non-Jews as the Christian and the Hindus or the Muslims. Ahmed was a fruit seller, is a fruit seller, and he is now hospitalized due to some injury due to the ischemic body physical assault or skirmish or in the way of the snatching the weapons from the son, from the father, who was a terrorist. So, no Muslim, if he support the non-Muslims as a Christian, Jews, or any other cult or the atheist, he is not a true Muslim. According to Muslim, a Muslim must be the killer of the non-Muslim, rapist of the non-Muslims, and the robber of the non-Muslim wealth. This is the significance signs of the Muslim. A true Muslim cannot be helped the non-Muslim. So according to the Quran, the Ahmad is not a non-Muslim. Ahmad is not a true Muslim. He is a perfect, a good human being, but he is not a Muslim. According to Quran. Though if he said that I am Muslim, that he is unaware the ideology of the Islam and the Quran, which is very, very barbaric against the non-Muslims. And in Islam there is no allowed to any help of the any non-Muslim. In the name of Allah, a Muslim can only kill the non-Muslims, can rape their women, and can loot the wealth of the non-Muslims. Because this is the sunnah of, or the teaching of the so-called Prophet Muhammad, who was the self-proclaimed prophet, and he made Gabriel, the angel of the Jews and the Christians, as a Jibril, and this angel, who was an angel in the Judaism, converted as a Satan, because the Jibril, Satan sent down so many verses of Quran, which is total Gunism or the hooliganism against the civil society or the non-Muslim population. So we can say that Islam is the barbaric ideology, and a true Muslim cannot support or cannot be savior of the lives of the non-Muslims. If any non-Muslim or non-Muslims are saving the lives of the non-Muslims, he is not true Muslim according to Quran. That is why in Pahalgam a Muslim was killed by the Islamic terrorist, because he was supporting the non-Muslims that were the majority of the Hindus. So the terrorist killed that Muslim because he was not following the path of the Islam, that is, support them terrorists who were killing the non-Muslims in the Pahalgam. So a true Muslim is a perfect terrorist. Ahmad is not a true Muslim who was selling the fruit on the beach, Bondi Beach or the seashore in the Sydney. So those people who are saying that you are not talking about Ahmad, we are talking about Ahmad. According to Islam, Ahmad is not a true Muslim, and he is liable to killed by the Muslims because he is helping or helped the non-Muslims and saved their lives. Though 19 people were killed by these Islamic terrorists or the Islamic goons. So we can say the Quran is the first book of the how to kill or the manual of the murders. And all those peoples which are following the Quranic ideology, they are reading the manual of murder. And these father and son who was firing on the innocent people where they were celebrating his festival of the Judaism, Hanukkah, were killed by these Islamic goons because they were the true Muslims. A true Muslim cannot be a good person. This is the reality. This is the serious question. This is a serious serious क्या बोलते हैं उसको serious serious objection from my side, serious blame to the Muslims, to Muslims. But this blame is true. This blame is trustworthy. When a Muslim, non-Muslim will read the Quran, what I am saying, that a true Muslim cannot be honest, cannot be good person. This is true. This is trustworthy. Because I have stated so many verses on Quran on my blog channel, that is the Kafir International Organization, and the Vijay Destination. It proves that non-Muslims are the fodder for the Muslims, as they were liable. Muslims have power to kill anybody by the order of Allah, and this Allah is the fabricated or fallacy. So I would like to say that which are supporting the Ahmad, I am also supporting the Ahmad. That Ahmad is a good person, but he is not a good Muslim or the true Muslim, because he does not believe on the ideology of the Quran, that a Muslim cannot be help of the non-Muslim, because Islam introduced or launched by Muhammad to only killing the non-Muslims, and this is the prime aim of the Islam, to kill all the non-Muslims. Till a single non-Muslim alive on this earth, the Islam cannot be fulfilled. The path of the Islam, that is a Jihad-e-Asghar, a hooliganism committed by the Muhammad and his companions until continue, known as a Jihad-e-Asghar. This is the Islam, reality of the Islam. So that person known as the Ahmad is not a true Muslim, because he not killed so many Jews, or cannot help to the Muslims to kill many other Jews. Suppose if Ahmad would be a true Muslim, many casualties will be, or the number of the casualty certainly would be enhanced. So Ahmad is not true Muslim, or according to ideology of the Islam, Ahmad is discarded by the Islam, and any true Muslim cannot applaud the Ahmad effort. Even a single Muslim, true Muslim, cannot applaud the effort of the Ahmad, because according to true Muslim, Ahmad work is a filthy work. Ahmad work is a treacherous work against the ideology, Quran, Allah and Muhammad. As we are well aware that Muhammad created a puppet which is named as Allah. So in the last, I would like to say that Ahmad is not a true Muslim, though he is a good person. So those people who are supporting the Muslim Ahmad as a good Muslim, they are stupids or the fool, or they are unknown about the theology of the Quran, which is very, very barbaric and prohibits the Muslim, for if he will help the non-Muslim, he will not a true Muslim. So the work of the Ahmad, who saved so many lives, is the work of the anti-Islam, and according to Islam, he is not a Muslim. He is a kafir and is liable to killed by many other Islamic true Muslims. Rather, the terrorist. Every true Muslim is the terrorist. And certainly, the life of the Muhammad in danger due to the help of the non-Muslims in Bondi Beach, in the Sydney seashore in Australia. So my appeal to Australian government, please provide the protect or the security to this Ahmad, which is very, very, very in danger, or the on the pinpoint target by the true Muslims, which are totally extremists or the terrorists. A true Muslim is a terrorist. Ahmad was not a true Muslim, so his life in danger by these Islamic Gunism, because Islam is a cult of the hooliganism. Islam allow the killing, rapes, and the robbery of the non-Muslim wealth. Thank you very much. See you. I would like to say that please purchase my books, which are disclosing the Islam brutality and cruelty. Thank you very much. See you.